What's up guys, welcome back to a special midweek episode of Homebuilt. At the beginning of this month, when we done the DIY window tinting video on the Alfa Romeo, we said that at the end of this month we would pick 2 people at random to receive enough window tint to do their own car. So that's what we're going to do, and Charlie's got 2 random winners here.
Okay, so our first winner, well, we want to give a massive congratulations to Mark Eldridge. And our second winner, congratulations to Mark Bailey, or Bally, however you say it.
Excellent, so that's the 2 names. We've got Mark Eldridge and Mark Bally, or Mark Bailey, however you pronounce it. Now, our Instagram link will be on the bottom of the page. It will also be in the description. Jump onto Instagram, send us a direct message, get in touch, let us know where you want this posted to, and we'll get that stuff out to you. That's about it. It was just a quick update. Prize winners, and we're working on a new video. It'll be out on Saturday. So I think we're going to be doing Saturday uploads now. But we'll still be doing 1 video a week. We've still got full-time school, full-time work. So that's it for us today. Congratulations to both of you. Thanks for watching. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications bell's on, because we're getting really good content coming out shortly, and I guarantee you won't want to miss what we've got coming. Cheers guys!